Can we do it?
Yes, we can.
Can we do it?
Yes, we can.
Can we do it?
Yes, we can.
Yes. Nigeria, this I have to. Nigerian youth unite, then Nigeria ignites. That's our slogan for now. We are taking back our country. We are taking back our country.
The slogan again?
Nigerian youth unite, Nigeria ignites. Nigerian youth unite. Yes, yes. When we unite, we are taking back our country. And I want to assure you, I'm fully aware of the responsibilities on my shoulders. ADC is the largest opposition party in Africa, as it is now. I'm fully aware of the situation that our youths are in. 40% unemployment. The level of poverty is 86 to 90% in some areas. And ADC, as the largest opposition party, is here to solve these problems. Most of your concerns is about youth inclusion. And the reason why you are saying this here is because maybe you are not conversant with the ADC constitution. The youths are 100% protected and covered in the ADC constitution. We have a 40% affirmative action in all the appointed and elected positions in the ADC. And it's not rhetorics. It is what brought our leader here. It is what brought me. And also, our secretary, the national secretary, who is a former governor, two-time governor of Osun State, Chief Aribisola, his deputy in person of Hajia Hawa is a young lady of about 27 years. And she's doing very well. So the ADC is not empty promises, are practical promises. However, you are witness that even within the interim leadership, in every zone, there is affirmative action that the youths must be given positions. And youths are given positions. So with regards to inclusion of the youth in the ADC, that is not a problem. I want to assure you that will happen. But it's not going to happen to any ordinary youths. You have to work for it. Because in my office, I will make sure that we negotiate for that 40% affirmative action. We are going to identify people that are ready to contest, people that are on ground, and we will negotiate for them. I'm happy we have a lot of people that have said they have been on the trenches, so we'll find a way to maneuver ourselves in. This time around is our time, and we must do it. When I said we are going to negotiate for people that are on ground, what I mean is we don't want to bring a name to the table. And the leaders will say, who is this man? We don't know him. When I'm bringing somebody, I want to bring somebody, once they hear his name, they'll say, yes, this is a very strong grassroots youth. We are giving it to him. So you have rightly said it. We have to go back to our constituencies. We have to go back to our ward levels and start working. As it is now, the voter registration exercise is by the corner. That is where we are going to start. we have a program that we call Catch Them Young. Catch Them Young. For anybody that has interest to contest or anybody that has ADC at heart, this is the time for him to go back to his constituency and catch them young. We are going to launch a nationwide voter sensitization exercise under my office. And I'm looking forward to work with you, people that are here today. Kudos to our leader, the North Central Deputy, for initiating. She is the first to do it, and I'm really proud of her. So we are not leaving this place without having a strategy on how we are going to go about the voter registration. Because we don't believe in rhetorics, we believe in action. What I mean is, I will have an itinerary of movements. I can see we have Plateau, we have Niger. They are the major, because of their solidarity to the leader. So we are going to pick.
You want the FCT people to.
No. FCT are host. They are the host. Yes. In each of the geopolitical zones, we are going to pick two states where we are going to do the pilot, sensitization program. So here, I believe I have the pioneer states that we are going to agree to take from the North Central and appoint coordinators or ambassadors for that exercise, inshallah, this day. And also, I want to use this opportunity to inform you, for the first time, a youth wing of a political party is organizing International Youth Day celebration. For the first time, the International Youth Day celebration has been seen as just a government activity. But this time around, 12th of August, the ADC Youth Wing, we are celebrating the Youth Day celebration, inshallah. And all of you are respectively invited. I don't know whether the register is.
Yes, it's going around.
Okay.
It's going on. Already registered.
Okay, excuse me. So on that day, it's going to be a great day because we have sat like twice discussing on how we are going to make that day remarkable and memorable for the Nigerian youths. The theme of the day is local youths contributing to sustainable development goals. Local youths contributing to, from my own perspective, I don't see what we are sustaining. Is there anything we are sustaining as Nigerian youths?
Not yet.
You cannot build a castle on the air. You have to have something before you can sustain it. Are we sustaining unemployment? Are you sustaining poverty? Are we sustaining out of school youths? So that day we are going to use it to send a very strong message, not only to the present administration, but to the United Nations, that these goals that they are having unanimously to all nations must be changed, because the goals will finish by 2030. And we will start this campaign that the goals should be different. Developed countries should have their goals, while developing countries should also have their goals. And on that very day again, we are going to unveil the motto of the ADC, which I'm sure, please, how many of you knows the motto of the ADC? What is our motto? Okay. Arise and shine. No. Our motto is welfare well-being of the Nigerian citizens. That's the motto of ADC. The welfare and the well-being of the Nigerian citizens. That's what the ADC stands for. All the aims and objectives of the ADC geared towards achieving that motto, the well-being of the citizens and well-being of Nigeria. So in that day, we are going to promote our party. We are going to align the present difficult conditions we are facing with what the ADC will offer when we are elected into office, inshallah. And finally, I also want to assure you that I am not a rubber stamp youth leader. I have said it clearly in some of my media outings that gone are the days when somebody will come and impose a candidate on people just because he feels he's a godfather. Gone are those days. We will not agree with that. However, I'm seriously in disagreement with the internal party politics, because that's why we got it wrong. That's why we got it wrong. Our leadership recruitment process is faulty, and we have to get it right. You cannot expect me to go and sell my properties, or to go and loot money, or to go and borrow money, to come and buy primaries to the tune of hundreds of millions. When it comes to presidential, to the tunes of billions of naira, and you are expecting me that I should do the right thing. That's where we are selling our conscience. So we must push from the youth wing of the ADC, sanitization of internal democracy, if truly we mean business. I'm happy most of the speakers are saying it's not self now. It's not self anymore. It's for our future. This is the only way. These are our elders that we are together with. Alhamdulillah. I'm from the school of thought of the Nnamdi Kanu that believes when there was NRC PDP, the intention was during Babangida that he should, promote the new breed. Nnamdi, of his blessed memory, took his phone and he called the president. And he said, Muhammadu, what are you doing? He said, these parties are only for the new breed. He told him, Muhammadu, the new breed, without the old breed, will breed greed. So I'm of that school. We need the combination of the old brigades and the new brigades. The old good ones, not the bad ones. As we have it now, we are divided. Those that have conscience are with the ADC. Those old ones that doesn't have are with the APC because of promises of contracts, because of, what they feel they can get out of the system. So we believe the old brigades that are with us here are the good ones that we are going to work with. And by God's grace, inshallah, we are going to make it. ADC. Rise. Oh, sorry, she has come back. I wanted to say it. We respect our women. And we are giving them all the opportunities and chances. Even before I come to this meeting, I had to get permission from my wife. Yes. I asked her, Madam, this is a meeting that I'm coming. She said, this early morning, are you not sleeping again? I said, no, this meeting is important. She said, okay, but you said you didn't sleep last night. She said, yes. So who is inviting the meeting? I said, one very formidable, strong BP. She said, BP? I said, what's her name? She said, I said, Hassana. She said, who? Hassana? I said, yes, now. Hassana, you don't know. Are you not following social media? You don't know her. She was like, quiet. She said, okay. Okay, go. Please, greet her for me. So, we are respecting women. And in the ADC, we also have affirmative action of 35%. We have, like I said, we have Hawa, we have Jackie, the assistant publicity secretary. We have a lot of them that are there, and they are protected. And let me tell you, this formation, this inclusion, will not end at the party level. It will go down to elected and appointed positions. That is, if we put our heads together. If we do not put our heads together, they will bring their children. But when we have this mapping, say, Nasarawa, we have Honorable Jos, we have Babangida. Here, Katsina, we have Yasser. He is part of the ADC youth contestants that we feel they must be given a chance. It means we are fighting for that affirmative action. Even if they bring an elder person, we'll say no. Elderly people are given that zone. This zone is given to the youths. That's how we are going to negotiate. But we have to be visible. We have to be working. I promise you we'll do all this together, inshallah. Thank you very much.
I'm Hajia Hassana Dada from Niger State. I am the Assistant National Youth Leader from North Central.
What do you want to tell us about today's meeting?
Okay, first of all, I want to thank all the Nigerian youth who have been in this struggle. I want to appreciate you. I want to let them know that the ADC has an open door for all the Nigerian youth. And I want everyone, if you are a youth, woman, a male, please identify with your state party chairman. And I want to make sure that we create an awareness for them on how to get their membership card from their ward, from their local government chairman. Also, I'm advising those who are yet to register with the INEC, please do so to get your PVC for this 2027 election.
Today we had a wonderful outing, a meeting organized by a very formidable leader, my vice from the North Central. It was a serious, very argumentative, youth-driven meeting. You could see how the youths are so tired of the business as usual. But after the meeting, because of what the ADC have for the youths, all of us are happy. The affirmative action of 35% of youths in the ADC is not rhetoric. Look at the present formation of the leadership. 40% of them are youths. So the youths are satisfied that the ADC is here for them. The ADC is to salvage them. The ADC is there to help them take back their country.
Okay, your advice to...
Okay. Yes, my advice is it cannot be business as usual. It cannot be business as usual. If the coalition will not bring positive changes in terms of internal party democracy, in terms of democratic dividends, then there is no essence for the coalition. So what we have assured ourselves is that in the youth wing of the ADC, we are going to pursue political reforms that will sanitize our political system, because we believe our leadership recruitment process as it is faulty. And it's simply because politics now, to a lot of us, is business, not service. So in the youth wing of the ADC and in ADC in general, we are going to change the narrative, politics from business to service. It's there in our motto. Our motto in the ADC is the well-being of the nation, well-being of Nigerians. So the narrative must change from the negatives to the positives by His grace, inshallah.